Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to download and install Cubase Pro on your Mac. Step by step, fast and easy. Before we begin, make sure your Mac OS is up to date and that you're already signed in with your Steinberg account, because you'll need it to activate Cubase. Alright, let's get started. First, open your browser and go to the official Steinberg Cubase webpage. I'll leave the link in the video description. On the page, click Try Cubase Pro for free and sign in to your Steinberg account. Once you're logged in, go to the Download section and click Download for Mac. Save the installer to your Downloads folder. This file is the Steinberg Download Assistant. This tool manages all Cubase Pro installations, so go ahead and download the macOS version. After the file finishes downloading, open it. If you see a message saying Steinberg Download Assistant Setup is an app downloaded from the internet. Are you sure you want to open it? Click Open, then enter your Mac password. Click. Next, accept the license agreement and click Install. It will take a few moments. When it's done, click OK, close the window, and move the installer to the trash. The app should launch automatically. Now, log in with your account credentials. Once you're inside the Download Assistant, select Cubase Pro 15 from the left sidebar. You'll see all the components, virtual instruments, sample libraries, tools, and demo projects. To install everything, you'll need at least 70 gigabytes of free space. If you don't have enough storage, you can install only the main application, and that's the method we'll use in this video. Next to Cubase Application, click Install. Wait for the download to complete. This might take a few minutes. When it's ready, click the drop-down arrow next to Install again, and select Open Folder. This will take you directly to the Cubase installer file. Double-click it, then double-click cubase.pkg. In the installer window, click Continue. Review the Steinberg End User License Agreement, click Continue, then click Agree to accept next. Click Install. Enter your Mac password, and click Install Software. The installation will take a few moments. Once finished, click Close, then choose Move to Bin. Close any remaining windows and move any leftover installer files from your desktop to the bin as well. Now, open Finder. Go to Applications and launch Cubase. You'll be prompted to activate your license. Click Sign In, and your activation will automatically sync with your Steinberg account. After activation, Cubase will launch normally. And that's it. You've successfully installed Cubase Pro on your Mac. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss a new tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.